Today's tech tip shows staff and students how to work offline using your Chromebook or your laptop or any device that's not connected to the internet. The challenge, of course, is that you don't have internet, but you still have work that needs to be done. The solution is to work offline using Google Docs offline. It works with Docs, Sheets, Slides, and Draw. The way that you do this is you'll log into your Chromebook or laptop and you'll open Chrome. For staff, you log into the Chrome browser. The second thing that you'll do is access your Google Drive at drive.google.com and click on the Settings cog, as is shown here with the yellow arrow. Once you've chosen Settings, go down and click on the Enable Offline box down in the bottom right corner of your screen, and that will allow you to have offline access. For teachers on your laptops, it will ask you to add an extension to do this. It's perfectly great and it won't work without the extension, so add the extension. For students, the extension is already automatically loaded onto your Chromebook for you. So here's what it looks like in real time. I've logged into my Drive. I'm into Chrome. I am logged in as myself. I click here on the Settings cog. I go to Settings. I find the box that says Offline and I check it. Okay, and it's going to be Docs, Sheets, Slides, and Drawings that will allow you to edit offline. Keep in mind, as students, sometimes we download too many things to our Chromebook, and there's a holding place there. If there's too many things there, it won't be able to back up offline, so you might need to clean that out. For the most part, though, it should work. Click Done. It'll tell you it's setting up offline. And then you can go ahead and go in and create documents. You can be offline. It'll say there's no internet, but if you type in drive.google.com, it'll take you to your Google Drive and you can work on documents. When you're working in a sample document here, or in any document in Google Drive, it says the last edit was made 2 minutes ago, but as I'm typing, I might say this is a test. It says saving. When you're offline, it would have some words to do with offline access. And then when you do connect back with the internet again on that same device, it will sync your document and it'll all be updated. I did this once grading student papers and did a whole bunch of comments on different student papers, and when I came home it synced right away and it looked like I graded them all in the same second. It was awesome. To restate what I said earlier, this works on laptops with a Chrome browser and your Chromebooks. Students, go to bit.ly Canvas Chrome for more information about your Chromebooks. There's also some information on there about internet access. Staff, watch our T3 videos and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a wonderful Tuesday.